Visited Grand Tetons National Park in Wyoming. It's a beautiful park filled with mountains, and we hiked around Jenny Lake, which is about a 10k hike altogether, to Inspiration Point, rather than catching the boat like all these other people. We also visited Jackson, which is one of the touristy towns at the start of Grand Tetons in Yellowstone. It's famous for its antler archway, and it was a cool place just to hang out for the day.
On the road again, just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. Road again, like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends, insisting that the world keep turning our way.
We saw these guys on the side of the road. We're not sure if they are exactly grizzly bears or if they're just big brown and black bears. We didn't get a photo of the hundreds of people that were pulled over with their long lens cameras taking photos of them. It was pretty amazing to see.
Wait, before you start.
What do you got there, Loka?
2 arms, a carrot, and 2 eyes for moose.
Okay.
Oh, come on! One.
One of the things that we have been extra vigilant about is taking our bear spray with us whenever we go for a walk. We have heard some stories of various bear attacks around Yellowstone and Grand Tetons. We ended up going to Yellowstone for about 3 days. It's a pretty amazing place. It's just like Rotorua but on steroids really, and with a few bears and bison thrown in.
This'll be the day that I die. Now for 10 years we've been on our own, and moss grows fat on a rolling stone. But that's not how it used to be. When the jester sang for the king and queen in a coat he borrowed from James Dean, and a voice that came from you and me. The king was looking down, the jester stole his thorny crown, the courtroom was adjourned, no verdict was returned.
Wave after wave, wave after wave, I'm slowly drifting away. And it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling against the